Students, today we are starting chapter number 4, cubes and cube roots. In this chapter you will learn about the cube numbers and properties of this number. Then after that how to find out cube root for the given number. So first thing is, what are the cube numbers? Cube numbers we can call as perfect cube also. So cube means power 3. Any natural number cube is 3 power of that number. Means if suppose 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1, 3 times we have to multiply 1. 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5, 3 times 5 we have to multiply, then 125 we will get. Like this till 10, at least till 10 you people should learn these numbers. So learn 1 to 10 cube, it will be helpful for you in exercise. Then properties of this number, if you observe carefully this number, then you will find the cube of odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The cube of odd number is odd number. And the cube of even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is even. So same thing we can follow for other number also. Always remember, cube of odd number is odd, cube of even number will be even. And when 0 is there at last, then end also will be with 0. Now we will start exercise 4.1. First question, which of the following numbers are not perfect cube? Give reason in support of your answer. So first number is given 648. So first of all we will do the prime factor of this number. For prime factorization, always use the prime number. So we will start with 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 4 ja 8. Again it will go with 2, 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja and 2 2 ja. Then 2 8 ja and 2 1 ja. 3 2 ja and 7 ja. Then 3 9 ja. 3 3 ja and 3 1 ja. So to check the perfect cube, we have to make triplet here. In square root we were taking pair, but here we have to take triplet. So these 2 3 we will take together. Then these 3, and you can see here 1 3 is remaining alone. So it means this number is not a perfect cube. So we can write here, because 3 is remaining alone, or it is not in triplet, therefore 648 is not a perfect cube. If all the numbers are coming in triplet product, then it will be a perfect cube number. If any one number is left alone or it is not in the form of triplet, then we will call it not a perfect cube. Now second part, 729. So first we will do the factor of 729. It will go with 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12 and 3 3 ja 9. Then again with 3, 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3. Then 3 27 times, 3 9 times, then 3 3 times and 3 1 time. So these 3 we will take together, then these 3 we will take together. Now we can write, because all numbers are in triplet, therefore 729 is a perfect cube. Next 8640. So we will do the factor of 8640. It is an even number, so we will start with 2, 2 4 ja, 2 3 ja and 2 2 ja, and 0 will be as it is. Again it will go with 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja and 6 ja and 0. Then 2, 1, then with 1 it will not go, put 0, 2 8 ja 16 and 0. 2 5 4 times and 0 as it is. 2 2s are 7 and 0. Again 2 1s are 3s are and 5s are. Then it will go with 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. Again with 3. 3 1s are and 3 5s are. Then one more time it will go with 3. 3 5s are and at last 5 1s are. Now we will make triplet. These 3 2 will be together. These 3 2 will be together and these 3 will be together. And you can see 5 is left alone because 5 is not in triplet. Therefore 8640 is not a perfect cube. Fourth part, 8000. Do the factor of 8000. 2 4 and 3 0 will be as it is. 2 2s are and again 3 zeros. 2 1 and 3 zeros. Then it will go again with 2 2 5 and these 2 zeros will be as it is. 2 2 25s are 50 and this third 0. 2 125 times, then it will go with 5 5 25s are and 5 5s are and then 5 1s are 5. Then we will make triplet. These 3 2 will be together, then these 3 2 will be together and these 3 5 will be together because all the numbers are in triplet product, because all numbers are in triplet form. Therefore 8000 is a perfect cube. Next, question number 2. Show that each of the following number is a perfect cube. So we have to do here same thing whatever we have done in first question. We have to do the factorization of this number and then make the triplet of numbers. So first we will do the factor. 1728. It will go with 2 2 6 2 8 16 and then 2 6 12 and 2 4 then 2 4 3 and 2 2 2 and 1 and 6 2 108 then 2 54 times 2 27 times and 27 with 3 it will go 3 9s and 3 3s and 3 1s. Then make the triplet. 3 3 numbers you have to take together. You can see all the numbers are in triplet form. Therefore it is a perfect cube because all numbers are in triplet. Therefore 1728 is a perfect cube. Second part, 5832. So first we will do the factor of 5832. It will go with 2 2 2s are 4 and 2 9s are 1s are and 6 are. Again with 2 2 1 4 5 and 8. Then again with 2 2 7 2 and 9. Then it will go with 3 3 2 4 and 3. Again with 3 81 times. Then 3 27 times. 3 9 times. 3 3 times and 3 1 time. Then make the triplet. 3 2 3 3 and these 3 3. So because all factors are in triplet, therefore 5832 is a perfect cube. Next third part, 13824. So first do the factor with 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are, then 2 1 are and 2 2 are 4. Again it will go with 2, 2 3 are, 2 4 are, 5 are and 6 are. Again it will go with 2, 2 1 are, 7, 2 and 8 times. Then 2 8 are 16, 2 6 are 12 and 2 4 are 8. 2 4, 3 and 2. Then again 2 2 are, 2 1 are and 2 6 are 12. 2 1 0 8 times it will go. 2 54 times. Then 2 27 times. Then 27 will go 3, 3 9 are, 3 3 are and 3 1 are. Now make triplet. So all the numbers are in triplet form because all factors are in triplet. Therefore 13824 is a perfect cube. Next fourth part 35937. Do the factor of 35937. So this is a big number. We can use here divisibility rule. Add all these numbers 358, 8 plus 9 17 plus 3 20 and then 7 27. And 27 is coming in 3 tables. So this number will go with 3. 3 1 ja 3, then 3 1 ja 3, then 3 9 ja 27, 3 7 ja 21 and again 3 9 ja 27. Again it will go with 3 because it is given in question. These are the perfect cubes. So obviously if one time 3 has come, 2 more time it will come. So 3 3 ja 9 and then 3 9 ja 27, 3 9 ja 27 and 3 3 ja 3. Again one more time 3, 1 3 3 1. And this 1 3 3 1 will come in 11 table. 11 1 ja, 11 2 ja and 11 1 ja. Again 11 11 ja 121 and 11 1 ja 11. So 3 times we have 3 and 3 times we have 11. It means it is a perfect cube because all factors are in triplet. Therefore 35937 is a perfect cube. Next question number 3. Find the smallest number by which each of the following number must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. First part 243. So these numbers are not, whatever the number are given here, these are not the perfect cube. We have to multiply something here to make it a perfect cube. So first we will do the factor and then we will check what we have to multiply. So 243, do the prime factor. 3 8 ja 24 and 3 1 ja 3. Then 3 2 ja and 3 7 ja. 3 9 ja and 3 3 ja and again 3 1 ja. So we will make the triplet. Here these three are in triplet form, but here we have only 2 3. So if we get one more 3, then this also will become a triplet. So it means here we need one more 3. Therefore number to be multiplied is 3 here. Second part 3072. So first we will do the factor of 3072. 2 15 times 3 and 6. Again with 2 2 7 6 and 8. Then 2 3 8 4. Again with 2 2 1 9 and 2. Then 2 9 and 6. 2 4 and 8. 2 24. 2 12. Then 2 6. 2 3 and 3 1. Then we will make the triplet. These 3 2, then again 3 2 and again 3 2. Now remaining is 1 2 and 1 3. So we need 2 2 and 2 3 here to make it a perfect cube. So number to be multiplied we have only 1 2 here, so 2 more 2 is required and 1 3 is here and 2 more 3 is required to make it a perfect cube. Now multiply these 2 to 4, 4 3 12 and 12 3 36. So number to be multiplied is 36. Third part 11979. So add up all these numbers, you will get here 27 and 27 is coming in 3 table. It means we will check this number with 3. 3 3s are 9, then 3 9s are 27, 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9. Again 3 1s are 3 3s are and 1. Then it will go with 11, 11 121 times, then 11 11 times and 11 1 times. So these 3 11 are in triplet form, but here we have only 2 3. So to make it a perfect cube we need one more 3. Therefore the number to be multiplied is 3. Next fourth part 19652. So this is a even number. We will start with 2. 2 9s are, 2 8s are, 2 2s are and 2 6s are. Again with 2, 2 4 9 1 3 times it will go. Then next it will go with 17. 17 2 times, 8 times and 9 times. Then again with 17, 17 17s are 289 and 17 1s are 17. So you can see here these 317 are in triplet form, but we have only 2 2 here. So we need one more 2 to make it a perfect cube. So therefore number to be multiplied is equal to 2. So in this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will do in next video. Thank you for watching this video.